Yo, what's going on, everyone? And welcome back to Tier List Tuesdays, the new tier list series. Yeah, I recently made an upload schedule and I decided to name the series Tier List Tuesdays. Anyway, let's start. I'm ranking Mario Kart 64 tracks today. Not the battle mode tracks. They're on the bottom because I couldn't find another one without them. So yeah. Let's start with Banshee Boardwalk. I mean, it's Ghost Valley, but better. For that, it's B tier. Not many tracks can make Ghost Valley better. Because it's Ghost Valley. It sucks. Next up, Bowser's Castle. It's a mid Bowser's Castle. What else can I say? Next up, Choco Mountain. Okay, I am officially dead. S. DK's Jungle Parkway. I mean, the bridge is cool, but like, yeah. The music is so boring. Like, oh my god. Can you stop being so boring? High B tier above Banshee Boardwalk. Next up, Frappe Snowland. Mid. However, Calamari Desert, on the other hand, can't really call that mid. The train gimmick's cool. It was done better in Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, which I will get onto in future installments of this series. However, I'll just tell the train's good. I like desert tracks, unlike most. On to Koopa Troopa Beach. Or at least I think it is. Relaxing beach track with Koopa. What else can I say? Luigi Raceway. I think that's just what everyone says. Mario Raceway. His brother. However, Moo Farm. No. Get that thing out of my sight. Rainbow Road. This is decisive. This is the decisive one. And I am giving Rainbow Road middle of A tier. It's deserved, I suppose. I mean, it's Rainbow Road. Music's banging. Is that the right word? Anyway, Royal Raceway. Another one of the Mario Kart 64 retros that came back in Mario Kart 8. Well, it's a bit better than the other two. But it's still Shipland. It's but Final 3 tracks now. Toad's Turnpike. This one's crucial. Purely because people have mixed opinions. I might lose like 83 subscribers for this. I don't know. In Mario Kart 8, it's down in C tier. But in Mario Kart 64, there's no driving on the walls, which makes the track better. And there's just better car mechanics in general, in my opinion. So it gets high B tier just for that. Wario Stadium. Where do I put Wario Stadium? It's long, but it's also kind of cool. Like, it's just Wario times a million, plus a few ramps, plus long. Bottom of 80. Last up, Yoshi Valley. Wait, yeah, I did. Okay, I thought I said bottom of beta. I'm putting in bottom of A. Or, like, said bottom of A, but put it in bottom of B. I'm confusing myself. And I'm confusing you. Yoshi Valley. This one lost its charm in Mario Kart 8. It had so much charm on the N64 that... I'm moving Calamari Desert up. It's going in S tier. In fact, then again, Trainbow's better than it. You're not high A tier. Trainbow's down to A tier. If you're wondering, Trainbow equals Mario Kart 64 Rainbow Road. Anyway, I'm going to do the battle modes separately. So yeah, that's the end of episode 2 of Tier List Tuesdays. If you enjoyed, maybe like the video if you want to. Anyway. Okay, that doesn't really work. Just... Okay, like... Okay. That's not that good. Okay, there we go. Wait. There we go. See ya.